TFNN Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and this is the Russell 2000 that we were looking at yesterday because it had the clearest picture of the ABCD up here at the 24.99. The high was 24.9860, and as you can see here, we backed off today, stopped right at the 382 of the low we made here on the 17th. But what's interesting, folks, as you look at this on the smaller time frame, you'll see that all we did on that last rally, you'll see there's your high and there's your low, and we went right within a point, actually half a point of the exact 382. So watch this number here at 24.78, folks. That might be some resistance coming in today. Now, looking at it from a shorter time frame, you can also measure ABCD patterns on this, because there's your high. You have the really strong rally right at the opening, and then the market comes down and goes lower. Of course, you extend the 127, it'll take you exactly to this price right here. Now, when we come back from the break, I want everybody to have a pad and pencil, because we're going to do some astroeconomic mathematics, and I think you'll enjoy it. If you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide, you're not going to have any trouble. But this is what we're looking at here in the Russell today. We're just setting, there's a 382 right there again, and there was a big ABCD 382 right down here. Closing below here would be rather negative, but we've made new highs in the NASDAQ, and we have not made new highs in the S&P, but we're relatively close. But as you can see here, the NASDAQ, I'll bring this up, you can see that it's already made a new high on the day. We pull back. There's a beautiful Garley pattern here. If you want to see it, there's your low of the day from last night with all kinds of ABCDs, and there's your 61. Well, goes a tiny bit below the 61, and now we've made new highs up into this area right here. We're going to cover the bonds and a few other things, of course, and we do have a couple trades that we're looking at, one we happen to be in that we'll discuss, and we'll do that when we get back from our break. And I have to put up the old clock from TFNN to make sure I don't screw anything up. We got 34 seconds. Oh my God, that's a lifetime. Let's get up here and look at something else really quickly, and that is the Treasury bonds. We're going to spend more time with this, but folks, this market's, they might have raised rate, they might have dropped interest rates, but the bond market did not get the picture. And as you can see, there was your 382 retracement. You had a little ABCD pattern here. This market is turned, folks. Major turn. Look at this. This is major turn type stuff, okay? So I have to refresh this, but you'll see that this is a major return. The notes even look worse.